Hi you guys, so today I wanted to share our new compost bin with you guys. I am so excited about it because I love composting and I love to grow my own worms for the garden because I know that they make a big difference, in the garden. I used to have a compost bin and it was much smaller than this, but I felt very limited as to what I was able to compost and how much. So I'm very excited about getting an upgrade on this compost bin. So it's actually a planter, and it has drainage hose at the bottom. So Rick he put epoxy over the bottom to cover the drainage holes, and then I upcycled these jars, and I upcycled 3 of them to create a riser. And what we also did was put drainage holes on this galvanized steel bin, and we're going to use this as the interior liner, and then put all the compost up here, and then let the compost tea drip down to the allocated space down below. And then we have a spigot down here that we put in. Rick put it in for me, and that's where we get our compost tea. I'm going to transfer everything from the old compost bin over to the new one, and it's going to be a very yucky job, but small price to pay, I guess. Okay. So this is going to be really gross, you guys. See my compost bin? This is the lid. It's already falling apart and stuff. I've had it for I think like 7 years. So, and then with the duct tape. I'm gonna try to put some dry stuff in first and save all the very mushy stuff. I'm just gonna put all the mushy stuff in the soil. It's already broken down for the most part. But look at this. Cauliflower, I think, or cabbage. Look at these worms, you guys. Look at those worms. I got a bunch. Look at these. Look at this. Yuck. It smells really bad, you guys. I like this little path right here that I left open because it allows me to take things straight into the garden. So now that I finished putting all the compost in this bin, I'm gonna cover it. So we had a table that we didn't really like the base anymore, so we got rid of the base, but we kept the top because I always like to keep things like this because I always find them to be useful sometimes. So this is gonna be the lid on my compost bin. So this is the lid on my compost bin. I love it. And so it's gonna be easy. Like I could just pull it up and throw compost in, you know, and close it. I love this.